Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create custom fields for your projects. So let's see about it. You can see here our module Dev Project Custom Field. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects. See here this menu Project Custom Field. Go to fields and create. I want to create name. Display here your model name, projects. In available here multiple data types, a character, float, boolean, etc. But my create field is name, so I want to select character. Let's save. Now go to projects, go to anyone and see here this custom field page. Add field, display here project name, home construction. I did create name field, so name is display here and based on name, data type is available. Now add value like Gemini and save. So see here add here name field and value is Gemini. Now go to these values. So you can easily see here your project name, custom is a name, data type character and value is Gemini. And also seeing form view. Thank you.